Hey, it's me, Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl, and I'm in my kitchen with a very exciting product that I've been enjoying lately that I wanted to share with you. These are made by Tru Fru. Tru Fru, you may know them. They used to make, well, they still do make freeze-dried fruit dipped in chocolate, but also they make frozen fruit dipped in chocolate. So not just freeze-dried and shelf-stable, but freezer aisle frozen fruit dipped in chocolate. These are our little banana hunks dipped in peanut butter and then also dunked in dark chocolate. Come on, how can you beat that? 2 of these for 100 calories. Usually I'll just have 1. It's a perfect little sweet treat. I love them. I'll show you what it looks like inside. Hold on. Perfect texture. They don't hurt your teeth. They're not overly frozen. It's just banana-y, peanut butter-y, chocolate-y, and chili. Love these. Again, 50 calories. What a great snack. Find them at your favorite supermarket in the freezer aisle. I'm Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl. Until next time, chew the right thing.